I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you how I put on my hair extensions. I purchased a set a couple of weeks ago and I'm obsessed. Can't believe that I didn't purchase them sooner. I've been trying to grow out my hair for the longest time. It actually is starting to grow, but I just kind of wanted a little bit more length and then a little bit more fullness up in here. So I'm not sure of the brand that I purchased, but I just kind of want to just do a tutorial on how I put them on. So first I'm going to show you the ones that I got. Sorry, I haven't combed them out. I used them, but I haven't combed them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 5 pieces right here, and it is the ash blonde and the brown, which is what my hair is now. So it actually matches perfect. What I got in this one, let me see, I think one is a 4 clip with 4 clips here. And then I have 2 3 clips right there. And then I have 2 just 1 clips right here. So let's go ahead and get started and let me show you guys how I do this. So the first thing I do is I go ahead and grab the hair like where my ears are, but I kind of go down like a V. And that's gonna be the 3 clip that I'm going to put in like so, and I just literally clip it up, and then that's the part right here is where I'm gonna put the 3 clip. And my hair is like, I don't know, 3 days curled. I curled it about 3 days ago, as well as the clip-in, so it'll have a little bit of wave to it, which is what I love. And what I always do, because my hair tends to be very thin, so you don't have to do this. This is just what works for me, and I feel like they stay on a little bit more secure, like it's more secure. So I just kind of tease up just a little bit, and then I just go all around and do the same thing. Tease, tease, tease. And then you're gonna get the 3 clip, which is here. And I normally don't brush them. I just kind of run my fingers through them just to give them, so they don't get knotted up. Okay. So I have this piece here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I kind of eyeball it to see where I'm gonna put it. So you just push the clip down, make sure it's secure, and make sure it's also tight. So that's the first clip in. You're gonna go ahead and take that down, and then you're gonna go the same where your ears are, but just go straight across. So like so, and then you're gonna just clip this piece up here. And then for this piece, because it is like the main part of my head, I'm gonna go ahead and use the 4 clip extension. So you just pull this back here, and then you're gonna do the same. Well, you know what? I forgot to. So you're gonna go ahead and tease the hair all around. So then you're gonna just grab the extension and bring it around, and then kind of eyeball it to where you want it. And then you just clip down and then close the clips like so. So that is the second one. And then the third one, I just go a little bit higher, which is going to be like a little bit like where my temple is, and then just go up just a little bit. Because you want to have enough hair to actually hide the extension, because you don't want to show your clips. And then you grab the 3. Comb it out, and then you tease. So now I'm going to show you a serum that I use for my hair, and it's actually, my hair's grown so much since I've been using it, and it protects your hair while you're wearing extensions. I feel like this clip over here is coming out. Okay. So then you just eyeball it again to see where you want it. And then you just put the extension in. And then you let this piece down. Like so. And then what you're gonna do on the side pieces, what I do, I just kind of eyeball it, because I don't really have a lot of hair up here. It's like kind of thin. So I kind of go right here and then just tease this piece really good so it'll stay, because my hair is a little thin on the sides. And then you just grab this piece right here, and then you just clip it in on the side like so, and then you pull this piece down. And do the same thing on this side. I just flip that over and then grab a piece here, and then just kind of, just a little bit. You don't need to tease it too much. And just comb this out. And this is 100% human hair. So you can curl it, wash it, dye it, whatever you want. But right now I love the color. It just fits so well with the color that I have now. And that's it, you guys. That was literally less than, I don't know, what was it? 10 minutes to put on. So that's it. And what I normally do, I use a curler just to curl them, or like this, like I can literally go to the store and then be like not have to do anything to it. But yeah, that's how I put in my hair extensions. And it gives it a little bit more length as well as some volume in there. But that's it, you guys. And the serum that I've been using, that I use with my hair extension, when you have your hair braided or whatnot, I just use this in my hair, and it's called the Pro Hair Life from Private Label. If you're interested, this is what has been helping my hair grow, which is what I love. It's got conditioner P7, safflower, jojoba oil, argan oil, tea tree oil, mint crystals, promollient, CSF, SCE and vitamin E. And I love the way it smells. It's clear. If you want a good like hair mask, that's what I normally put in my hair after I bathe or like warm up a little bit, just to do like a hot oil treatment for your hair. And I've noticed it has just helped my hair out so much. So I will definitely, I'll put it in the description box below. If you're interested, I will have all the information in the link below. I wanted to get on here and share with you how I put on my hair extensions. And if you want to know anything else, just comment down below, let me know, and I will answer to my best ability. But if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And like always, until next time, see you in my next video.